Dubai, a city beyond the maps, hiding more than it shows. From above, it looks like perfection, but the truth lives below. It begins like any other city.
But something feels different here.
The scale, almost unreal.
Where luxury surrounds every step.
But reflections don't tell the full story. Step by step, the city begins to change. Details reveal what distance hides.
And the real journey begins here.
Here, the city moves at its own rhythm.
Away from the wide roads.
Every corner holds a different story.
Paths cross, but the journey continues. This is where the city breathes. Between light and shadow, life continues.
And suddenly everything opens again.
The deeper you go, the more it reveals.
This is where the city speaks loudest.
Every step pulls you further in.
Colors tell stories words cannot.
Here, every exchange has meaning.
In the crowd, you feel the pulse.
Even the light feels different here.
Then suddenly, space returns.
And the journey leads to flavor.
Here, the city reveals its flavor.
Every scent pulls you closer.
In these lanes, energy never stops.
Every dish tells a story of its own.
Moments slow down around food.
Even in chaos, there is calm. And the journey moves forward. Something bigger waits ahead. Here, the city shows its grand face.
Where the world comes to witness.
A structure that touches the sky. Water and light move together here.
but history still lingers nearby. In the details, time speaks.
Space opens, and so does perspective.
And beyond the city, something calmer waits.
The city softens at its edges.
Nature quietly takes over. Space opens in unexpected ways. Reflections reveal another side. Crossing into something quieter.
The calm begins to fade.
The city returns, slowly.
And the hidden paths begin again. Some paths are easy to miss.
But they lead somewhere real.
Life continues quietly here.
Time leaves its mark everywhere.
Some spaces exist beyond the noise.
Back here, everything feels different. Light begins to shift the mood.
And the city prepares for night.
At night, the city transforms.
Lights paint a different reality.
Energy never truly fades here.
Luxury shines even brighter at night.
But shadows still exist nearby.
Light guides every step forward. The night brings people together.
And the story deepens after dark.
Here, culture reveals itself fully.
Spaces carry stories through time.
Moments here feel more personal. Every detail holds meaning.
The space invites reflection.
And slowly, it begins to fade. Some moments stay with you. Every journey moves toward an end.
The city begins to fall behind.
Perspective slowly begins to change.
From here, everything feels different.
A city of contrasts, all in one frame.
Every path tells a different story.
And every story finds its end.
But the memory remains.
And the journey lives on.
This journey shows how every place in the world has its own untold story waiting to be explored.